Today, I'm going to quickly go over a 20-minute car wash to get you ready for Cars and Coffee. So this is 100% real. It is Friday night. I just finished dinner. I am going to Cars and Coffee in the morning. I've had a busy week. I don't have time to fully wash my car before it gets dark. So I'm going to do this quick 20-minute wash so that when I go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, I can still have a good time. People can still enjoy my car and it's not going to look like I don't care. This is in no way going to be a replacement for a proper car wash. And if you're trying to go and really impress people and wow people, you're going to have to make some extra time to wash your car. And if it's not your daily driver, you have plenty of time to do that. But if the car you're taking is your daily, sometimes that's not always possible. So this can get you to the point where you can still go to Cars and Coffee, park your car next to anybody, and still be proud of what you brought. It's extremely simple. You don't even need everything that I have sitting here in front of you, but even this is a small list. You're gonna need glass cleaner. I have one for the inside of my windows where the tint is and one for the outside where it's not. Some sort of degreaser for cleaning your wheels, paper towels, rags, microfiber cloth. I use Tire Shine. Some people hate it, some people love it. I really like this wet and protect that I'm using because I can just spray it on, it dries, and it doesn't sling any crap on my car. You can do this with or without a hose. I use a hose just to rinse the wheels off. You got to be really careful not to get any water on the car, but you can do it. And then some sort of leaf blower, compressed air, something to blow off any loose debris. So you can do this anywhere. You can drive to another city visiting a friend. You want to hit up Cars and Coffee the next morning. You can freshen up the car 15-20 minutes and still look good the next morning. And of course, you can even do this morning of. So wake up an extra 20 minutes early, get out there and freshen the car up before you leave. If you only have time to do one thing, clean your wheels, your tires, and your brake calipers, especially if the wheels are not black and the calipers are painted. It's going to make a huge difference to how much better your car looks. The same way that a new set of wheels can really change how the car looks, a set of clean wheels can make the car appear much cleaner than it actually is. I tried both without the hose and with the hose. I definitely think with the hose is the way to go. It does a lot better job of getting all that brake dust out of there and end up with a cleaner product. Clean your windows. Windows make up a huge percentage of the surface area of your car. So by cleaning those, you're going to give the perception that the rest of your car is just as clean. So go around, make sure you get all of the windows and the side mirrors, get it nice and clean. It's also going to make the car more enjoyable to drive, so it's a good place to spend some of your time. Once you get your windows clean, you're going to move on to details. So headlight, tail light, any special trim pieces. For the BMW, it's the front emblem, it's the rear emblem, it's the kidney grills, German license plate on the front. On the Z, it's some of the aero pieces. Just spend time on places that are important to your car but aren't paint. Next, I'm moving on to the Tire Shine. I know a lot of people don't like this, but it really can make a big improvement. It's especially important on cars like mine that have tall sidewalls where the tire is a much bigger portion of the wheel. And you can see it is getting dark outside. I'm getting to the point where I just don't have any more time to clean the car. So I couldn't do a full wash even if I wanted to. So once I have everything clean and dry, what I'm going to do, I like to take a leaf blower and just do a quick sweep of the car. It's going to blow any loose debris off. So if you've got dust or dirt or leaves or anything like that, blowing all that off is just going to be that little bit of extra touch to make the car look cleaner than it actually is. Here we are the next morning at Cars and Coffee, and I think the car looks pretty good, even sitting between two M3s. I still think it holds its own. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.